Theorem, inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. Given in a circle with center O, angle ABC is inscribed in arc ABC. Arc AEC is intercepted by the angle. We have to prove angle ABC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AEC. Construction. Draw ray AO. It intersects the circle at E. Draw radius OC. There is one circle and one angle. The angle is inscribed angle. There is a possibilities is three types if they are coplanar. First is the arm of angle, inscribed angle passing through the center of the circle. This is the first possibilities. Second is center of the circle is interior point of that inscribed angle. This is second type possibilities. And last one, if there is a circle and one is a inscribed angle, then third is the center of the circle is outside of the inscribed angle. From these three possibilities, first we take the possibilities that is center of the circle is on the arm of inscribed angle. From this, if we this prove that, then that will be used to prove the second and third condition. In this figure, angle ABE is a inscribed angle and arc AE is intercepted arc by this angle. In triangle ABO, segment OB and segment OA are congruent because they are the radii of same circle. We know that in triangle, if sides are equal, then opposite angle also equal. Hence, these two angles A and B are equal. But we know that angle AOE is the exterior angle of this triangle. By the exterior angle of this triangle, both angles, sum of the both angle is equal to exterior angle. Then angle ABO is equal to angle BAO. substitute the value and prove that in triangle ABO, segment OB is congruent to the segment OA. The region is radius of the same circle. We know that in triangle, if sides are equal, then opposite angle of that corresponding side are also equal. Hence, angle BAO is congruent to the angle ABO. The reason is opposite angle of congruent side. We know that angle AOE is the exterior angle of the triangle ABO. By the theorem of exterior angle, we can write here angle AOE is equal to angle BAO plus angle ABO by the exterior angle theorem. Angle AOE is equal to angle, instead of angle BAO, we write as above angle ABO plus angle ABO. In right hand side, 2 times angle ABO, hence angle AOE is equal to twice angle ABO. Write angle ABO as ABE because O is between point B and E. Hence angle AOE is equal to twice angle ABE. But we know that measurement of central angle that is equal to the measurement of corresponding minor arc. Hence, angle AOE is equal to measurement of arc AE. We write here from both step angle AOE is equal to measurement of arc AE is equal to twice angle ABE. Hence, twice angle ABE is equal to measurement of arc AE. Then we get angle ABE is equal to 1/2 of measurement of arc AE. Thus we prove the first condition. If the inscribed angle one arm is contained the central point of that circle, from this we have proved that if the inscribed angle one arm is contained the central point of that circle, measurement inscribed angle is a 1/2 intercepted arc by that angle. There is a second condition. When the central point of the circle is a interior point of that inscribed angle, then we have to prove here by first condition. We can write here angle ABE is equal to 1/2 measurement arc AE. This is from our first equation, that is we stated that second equation. Now angle EBC is equal to 1/2 of arc EC. This is also from equation first. We have proved that previous, that is called as the third equation. By adding second and third equation we get angle ABE plus angle EBC is equal to 1/2 measure of arc AE plus 1/2 measure of arc EC. Addition of these two angles is angle ABC to the left hand side. Addition of these two arc, that is 1/2 of measure of arc AC. Hence, thus we prove that measurement of inscribed angle is a 1/2 of that intercepted arc by that angle. There is third condition. When the central point is outside the inscribed angle. By first equation, angle CAE is equal to 1/2 measure arc CE from equation first, that is our third equation. Angle BAE is equal to 1/2 measure arc BE from equation first. This is our fourth equation. Subtracting the equation fourth from third, then we get angle CAE minus angle BAE is equal to 1/2 measure arc CE minus 1/2 measure arc BE. In left hand side, subtraction is angle BAC and subtraction of arc is 1/2 of measure arc CE minus measure arc B, that is BC. Hence we write here angle BAC is equal to 1/2 measure arc BC.